If you love crispy fries or golden wings but hate the mess, finding the best electric range with air fryer is a total game changer. These smart ovens let you roast, bake, and air fry right from one appliance. No countertop clutter. I've tested several ranges in real kitchens, from compact apartments to full-size family homes, and found some clear winners. Each model below brings something unique for different cooking styles and budgets. You can check out the updated links with the best deals in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Premium Lavella Pre-2027 GB 20-inch freestanding electric range. The Premium Lavella Pre-2027 GB is a compact choice for small kitchens, apartments, or cabins. I like that it keeps things simple. 4 coil burners with a solid heating setup. You get 3 6-inch burners for light cooking and 1 powerful 8-inch burner for quick boiling. The 2.2 cubic foot oven handles small casseroles or trays with ease, and the mirrored glass door lets you check food without losing heat. It doesn't include a power cord, which might be a small inconvenience, but it's common for ranges at this price. The build feels sturdy for its size, and the lower storage drawer is handy for pans. While it doesn't have an integrated air fryer like larger models, it still delivers even baking results and crisp finishes. If you're after something reliable for a smaller space, this Lavella is a practical fit for everyday meals. Number 4. Kenmore Front Control Electric Range Oven. The Kenmore Front Control Electric Range adds air frying convenience to a trusted brand's design. What stood out to me is how intuitive the front controls are. Great if you don't want to reach over hot burners. The true convection setting really shines when roasting or baking, circulating air evenly so food cooks faster and stays tender inside. Its air fry option is surprisingly effective for fries, wings, or nuggets without extra oil. The 5-element cooktop includes dual ring burners and 2 3,000-watt turbo boil elements that save serious time when prepping big meals. The steam clean and self-clean features are thoughtful touches for maintenance. It's a solid mid-range option for families who want versatility without overpaying. The stainless steel look fits right into most U.S. kitchens, balancing style and function. I only wish the oven's fan were a bit quieter during convection cycles. Number 3. COSMO COS REC 305 WKT Haven Collection Electric Range. The COSMO COS REC 305 WKT feels like a professional upgrade at a fair price. With its 6.3 cubic foot oven and 5-burner ceramic glass cooktop, it's ready for serious home cooking. The air fry function is powerful. It uses convection airflow to create crisp textures while keeping meals healthy. I was impressed by the self-cleaning mode and the oven's even heat distribution. It's perfect for baking cookies or roasting vegetables without worrying about hot spots. Safety-wise, COSMO includes triple-thick oven glass and a cool touch handle, which I appreciate, especially in homes with kids. The stainless finish feels premium and the knobs have a satisfying weight to them. It's built for performance and longevity with solid US-based support. While it's heavier than most in this category, that's part of what gives it a professional, durable feel in everyday use. Number 2. Frigidaire Professional Series PCFE 30788 Electric Range. If you want professional power at home, the Frigidaire Professional PCFE 30788 delivers. It's built for cooks who love variety. 5 space-wise expandable elements handle every pan size. The true convection system ensures even browning, which I noticed when baking multiple trays of cookies. The air fry feature is a standout. It produces crispy results on fries and wings with little to no oil. I like that it frees up countertop space since you won't need a separate air fryer. Plus, the Power Plus Quick Preheat helps you start baking in minutes, which saves time for weeknight dinners. It's a pricier option, but you're paying for precision, speed, and professional-grade design. The storage drawer is handy for pans, and the control layout feels clean and responsive. If you want premium features and reliable performance, this model hits a sweet spot for serious home chefs. Number 1. Rangaire RRE 303TS Electric Range with Air Fryer Infrared Burners. The Rangaire RRE 303TS easily earns its spot as the best electric range with air fryer for its perfect blend of innovation, convenience, and modern style. From the moment I started cooking on it, I could tell it was built for home chefs in mind. The perfect cook timer is one of my favorite features. It automatically shuts off the oven once your dish is ready, so you never have to worry about overcooking again. Its radiant glow infrared burners heat up almost instantly, giving you the power to sear steaks or boil pasta water in seconds. The true air convection oven evenly circulates hot air, and when I tested it with roasted veggies and baked salmon, everything came out crisp on the outside and tender inside. The air fry mode is just as impressive, turning out golden fries and wings without any extra oil. The easy-reach telescopic racks make checking on dishes simple and safe, and the smooth glass surface wipes clean in seconds. Designed for busy American kitchens, it offers both performance and reliability in one sleek appliance. If you're ready to upgrade your home cooking game, the Rangaire RRE 303TS is a powerful, all-in-one solution that truly delivers. Final verdict. After testing these models, the Rangaire RRE 303TS is my top pick for the best electric range with air fryer. It blends power, precision, and smart features that make daily cooking simple and enjoyable. For those wanting a more budget-conscious option, yet capable option, the Frigidaire Professional PCFE 30788 offers impressive versatility and reliable convection baking. Each range here has its strengths, but if you want all-in-one performance that truly earns its keep, go with the Rangaire. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gear reviews, and check the description for the best deals on all these machines.